Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm Sam. I hope all of you are doing it super great today. I know I'm doing super great because we got a new AirPods 2 rumor. So if you're excited for that, drop a like down below and of course, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any future Apple news. But let's go ahead and jump in because AirPods 2 will be coming in the first half of 2019. So I know I've been talking about AirPods for a long time. I know you guys are just wanting to get your hands on the product. Trust me, I'm right there with you. I genuinely thought, according to rumors, that they were going to launch in 2018. It is now January of 2019, almost February of 2019, and they're still not here. But we got a really good, really exciting report today that has absolutely revitalized my excitement for AirPods 2. The first bombshell in this report coming in the first half of 2019. So before summer, like June would be the latest that AirPods 2 would be launching. I have a feeling that they're going to launch before June. I think 5 months of AirPods 1 is just way too long. So I could see them coming in March if Apple holds an event then, maybe alongside the AirPods wireless charging case, which Apple has confirmed. That'll be a standalone case you can buy for AirPods 1 that adds wireless charging functionality. And I think Apple's going to launch all of this alongside the AirPower wireless charging mat. Again, not dead. It will be coming sometime, I think in the first half of 2019 as well. So I think everything could launch then. But at the latest, AirPods 2 will be in your hands by June 30th, according to this rumor from Digitimes. Now, in the same report from Digitimes, there is one other tidbit that is incredibly interesting. They're saying basically that the wearables market is exploding, that the Apple Watch Series 4 is just getting more and more popular, and that things like AirPods, wireless earbuds, truly wireless earbuds, I should say, are also exploding. Like, everybody is realizing just how cool and just how convenient they are. So to continue being really competitive this year, Apple is going to add health features to AirPods. Just like they added ECG, EKG functionality to the Apple Watch, Digitimes notes that people are really enjoying the addition of these health features and it's making products stand out. So Apple is doing that same approach with AirPods 2. It just says we're going to get some sort of possibly redesigned AirPods with advanced health features. So this is the first time that we're seriously hearing that new health features are coming to AirPods 2. Digitimes refers to it as health monitoring features. Now, they don't go into detail. A lot of these reports, unfortunately, don't say like heartbeat monitor in AirPods, ECG in AirPods. Maybe you can take your temperature. That would be actually pretty cool if you could like know your body temperature with AirPods. Maybe you're sick, you have a cold, you have the flu, you want to see how high your fever is. You just put AirPods in. This is actually like the coolest, I think, application of what an AirPods biometric could look like, because I know you can actually take your temperature by putting something in your ear. That'd be really cool. Now I'm excited for this. And again, this is all speculation. Nobody's outright saying this is what Apple's going to do, but let's just say, we'll call it an iUpdate prediction, that could be one really handy application for a biometric sensor inside of AirPods. So 9to5Mac initially picked up this report from Digitimes, and inside that article, they point out something very interesting that I had completely glossed over when talking about AirPods in the past. Back in, I think, June of 2018, Bloomberg issued a report talking about some different audio stuff that Apple's working on. One is like a studio quality over-ear pair of headphones with pretty insane sound quality, going to be pretty pricey. The second is much more interesting if you are looking to be a potential AirPods buyer, looking to upgrade your AirPods to something like a Pro version of AirPods. In 2019, Apple is said to be releasing a Pro version of AirPods. Could feature noise cancellation, which is something I've never been a fan of, so I don't really want that. But if you are into that, I think noise cancellation on earbuds or AirPods would be pretty dope, and also water and sweat resistance. Now, I've washed my AirPods, and I've seen countless stories of people do this because, they are tiny, they get stuck in the case. Maybe they go for a little dip in the washing machine. But this Pro version of AirPods could be what Digitimes is referring to, at least that is 9to5Mac's hypothesis, and I think that's very reasonable. Maybe Apple releases like a second-gen version of AirPods, AirPods 2, with that hands-free Siri functionality we've been hearing about. That could be AirPods 2, and then AirPods 3 could be this Pro model. Maybe they both come out in 2019. I just don't know what the price tag on this noise cancellation, water-resistant pair of AirPods would be. They're already $159. That's a good chunk of change here. A Pro version, I don't know, $199, $249, $229. Like, that's where you get up Is a pair of earbuds worth $200+? We don't know anything for sure about pricing yet, but I couldn't imagine them being cheap. Usually when Apple slaps Pro on something, they just take the liberty of increasing the price by $100 or $200, it feels like. So that's all I've got for you in this video. If you're excited for AirPods again, make sure to smash like down below. Of course, hit subscribe as well. The future of the AirPods product line, I don't think has ever been more exciting. After today's report, learning they are coming in early 2019. Hopefully in the first 3 months, more realistically could be in the first 6 months, is super hype worthy. So if you guys are excited, just let me know. Let me know in the comments down below if you are excited. That is all I have for you in this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, you guys are incredible. I've been Sam. I'm still Sam. I don't know why I always say that. You guys call me out. It drives me crazy, but I'm still going to be Sam. I was Sam. I will be Sam, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.